So can you share for a brief one, eh?
Prophet, just a quick one.
I want to go. When did my reporters were inside?
Why didn't you come in court? Just a courtesy. So they put us outside. We are not allowed to carry cameras inside here. Just a brief one.
We're remanded to the 6th of December. That's our next remand.
6th of December.
Saka tozwa nani wakatodza muda kunzwa kuti kupita What? That's a lawyer, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay.
What is that they want to know?
All right.
What is that they want to know?
For today, it's just the normal to what we call the initial remand. We're supposed to first appear before the court and to answer the allegations formally. And basically, the matter is just remanded on another date when he's supposed to come back for a trial date. So this is what transpired only. And the bail has been granted. The bail has not been opposed. So he's out of custody as of now. So basically, that's what there's nothing much that had happened in the court. But ordinarily, this is an initial remand. So there's no much business that can that can happen on this day. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Okay.